Let's try to do a sound check. Just listen to this badass. Isa ka bang solo rider na naghahanap ng sobrang cool na motor, yung classic style yung datingan at walang pake sa OBR? Well, check this one out. Let's give it up for a Napoleon Bob 450 by Benda Motorcycles. Dito ay may makina na naka-liquid cooled 450cc displacement na naka V-twin engine lang naman. 4-stroke, 8 valves EFI, belt drive on a 6-speed transmission. Maximum power niya ay 49.6 HP at 8,500 RPM at may maximum torque naman na 43 Nm at 6,700 RPM. Gulong ito ay naka 150/80 by 15 sa harap, 180/65 by 16 sa likod. Upside down fork sa front suspension, dual shock sa rear, equipped with dual channel ABS na din para sa kanyang braking system na may 260mm single disc sa harap with 4-piston caliper habang 223mm single disc with single piston caliper naman sa likod. Ayos! Meron itong single seat na may taas na 695mm lang, may 150mm na ground clearance at tank capacity na 16 liters. Naka full LED na din pala ang lighting system ni Napoleon Bob. Merong digital gauge na round type, mudguard with plate holder, merong sobrang beefy na mga parts at premium looking na overall design. Kaya naman if you're looking for an ideal modern classic bike for your solo journey, the Napoleon Bob 450 is something that you gotta watch out for. Just imagine in just 359,900 pesos ay makakasakay ka na sa isang western looking na bobber, highway legal at sobrang brusko pa ng datingan. Just look at it. Now, let's ride the bike. Look at that! Look at that cruiser bike. And we're here at Benelli, Caloocan para sa free test ride event. And today is August 17, Saturday, 2024, and this will be our first time riding on this 450cc Roadster, the Napoleon Bob by Benda Motorcycle. Let's check it out. Ito yung susi niya pala. There you go. And ang susian nandito sa left side. And there's the digital gauge. This is our first time riding on this bike. Let's check it out. Damn! Solid! Cruiser mode na naman tayo. O, yung baba ng seat height. Parang pogi ko dito sa motor na to. There you go. Ah, grabe. Riding position to. Grabe, nakasubsub tayo dito. Superman, man. Superman, man. Grabe, sobrang lambot ng shifting niya. Grabe. And syempre, gamayin lang din muna natin yung riding position. Dahil first time nating makasakay ng ganito. So, this is a cruiser bike, but it's more on the sporty side of things. Alright, so sa riding position, ito nga, naka-forward yung ating paa and naka-forward din yung ating arms. So just imagine, diba, kung ano yung itsura natin dito. So yeah, this is more on the sporty side and yung rear view mirrors natin nandito sa baba. Alright, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito at first is very evident yung sarap ng shifting niya. Grabe, as in ang sarap ng shifting niya. Mapa-upshift man or downshift, napaka-smooth ng pasok ng bawat gearings niya. And sa suspension, so based sa experience ko sa rear suspension niya is medyo stiff ng konti. I mean, konting-konti lang and very tolerable. And maybe I'm just too light for this motorcycle kaya hindi ko masyadong napapagana yung kanyang rear suspension. But for the front, all goods. Yan, so eto, ganito ka forward yung legs natin, diba? And then yung sa arms natin, sobrang forward din. Sa engine niya, we are on a V-twin engine nga pala. Yan, eto, sa maiksing minuto na binabiyahe natin si Napoleon Bob is I can feel the engine heat on both of my legs. We are on a V-twin, by the way. If ever that I'm gonna be using this bike on a long ride, I guess, I don't know. Baka hindi ako masyadong makatagal dito. And usually kapag ganitong klaseng riding position, talagang mapipilitan tayong, alam mo, medyo magmadali sa bawat biyahe natin dahil hindi siya komportabling sakyan sa totoo lang. But ganun talaga eh, ganun yung design niya eh. Hindi ko naman masabing negative side niya yun, but it's just, that's the way it is. I mean, that's the characteristic of the bike itself, no? And sa braking, ayos. Ang ganda ng braking niya, sobrang balance lang. Let's try to do a brake test. Nice. Yan, so naka single disc tayo dito harap at single disc din sa likod. Hindi naman ganun na nakakatakot yung braking niya, no, na parang kala mo iitsa ka ng motor. Nagang yan. Oh man. Damn. Ang bilis pumalo ng speedometer. Grabe naman yun. Alright, and there you have it. This is the Benda Napoleon Bob 450. Basic experience ko sa kanya is we got an aggressive style of riding dito sa roadster na to. You only got a single seat. And unfortunately, wala tayong may angkas dito, as you can see. But if you want to, you know, get a bike wherein you will be having an OBR, then you might want to check out the Chinchilla 450. But if you wanted to do a solo ride as always, then this will be one of the best choices, the Napoleon Bob 450 by Benda Motorcycles. Yan. As you can see, the overall design, sobrang competitive, from the tires, the shocks, the brakes, the suspension, and the tank, the gauge, handlebars, the seat, and the engine itself. Look at that. We got a V-twin engine on this 450cc motorcycle. Thank you so much, Benda Motorcycles, for this opportunity to road test this very awesome 450cc bobber. Special thanks to Benelli Caloocan and Mukim Helmets for this free test ride event. Check out Premium Gears if you're looking for high-quality air-cooled riding jersey, and Dino Motor Oil for your motorcycle engine. Don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. BYLMD here, and you guys watching Respeto Agulong. This is the Benda Napoleon Bob 450.